And just so that really formed my values, and I wanted to carry that forward as much as I could, as well. But anyway, he's the
That's
one,
cool.
he's the one that said, because all the times of talking, learning about notes and all these conferences, guess what? And all of that time and all those freaking dollars I spent that I
Hmm.
didn't need to spend, but I did, because you have to spend it to realize that you don't need to spend it.
Yeah.
Anyway, he said, Don, don't broker notes. Just skip that. If you want to broker notes down there, you buy notes, you keep a piece of it, right? Even if you don't have any money,
Yep.
you, you act like the investor. You don't
Yes.
Mhm.
don't think like a quick, chunk change type of person. But I was so scared, and so I listened, because I
Mhm.
was trying to do it the way I thought it was supposed to be done. And then I
Mm.
got to, a point where I'm on my knees, because like the bank account's pretty darn low, because
Yeah.
I've been spending money and not bringing in, and raising these kids, and keeping the mortgage going, so
Yep.
it started
All
to
the
get
things. Yep.
like it was getting real. So basically, I'm okay. You need me to go back to nursing. What do you need? I'm yours. You tell me what you want me to do.
Yeah.
Oh, just
Yeah.
keep going a little longer. And I'm like, you don't do math. You see the checkbook lately? It's not penciling. And I'm
Yeah.
like, okay, but at that point, I said, well, that's on God then, because I'm willing to do whatever.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
what the significant shift, I think, was that I quit blaming myself. I quit being ashamed. I quit beating
Mm.
myself up. Why is it taking you so long? Why haven't you figured out how to be, a millionaire by now? So
Hmm.
I just had a lot of negative self-talk that was just really hamstringing things.
Well
So
said.
when I just relaxed, I noticed
Yeah.
what was automatically already coming in front of me, what was automatically coming based on all the hamster wheeling I'd been doing. And it was just
Yeah.
note deals and people who wanted to invest. And I'm like, duh, it's right here. So then the funny thing is, after all that, I never learned the mechanics of actually how do you buy a note. It's so freaking simple, but in all the money I spent, I never
Yeah.
learned that. So I'm
Wow.
on the phone with like Henry, I'm gonna do what you said. And I'm gonna actually, buy my first note here. And I was scared to death. And he walked me
Yeah.
through it. Bless his heart. He walked me through the whole thing. And then I was off to the races, because so,
Yes.
so once
That's
I
awesome.
got that pattern,
Yeah.
just my thought came, just a little more passive income this month than I had last month.
Yes.
Just
Mm.
a little more passive income this month. And so I did that, and I looked back in 18 months, and I had, with none of my own money, I had zero money left
Hmm.
to do anything, right? I had my California PITI,
Hmm.
covered on a passive basis through just
Wow.
tiny little, like I just like crawled up,
Yeah.
and that changed my life, because then I had a base salary. And
Hmm.
knowing what I knew then, I could have gone, oh, I didn't need to do the dramatic thing if I would have taken the money I already had